I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious watermelon cocktail. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh, ripe watermelon, 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice, and a spirit of your choice, perhaps 2 ounces per serving. Don't forget a touch of simple syrup and some fresh mint for that perfect finish. This simple recipe ensures a refreshing drink every time. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the watermelon. Take about 4 cups of cubed watermelon and blend it thoroughly until it forms a smooth puree. For a truly refined cocktail, strain this puree through a fine mesh sieve. This crucial step removes any fibrous pulp, ensuring your drink has a silky smooth texture and a beautiful, clear appearance. It makes all the difference in the final presentation. Now for the exciting part, mixing your cocktail. In a shaker, combine 2 ounces of your freshly strained watermelon puree with 1.5 ounces of your preferred spirit. Add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup to balance the flavors. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until thoroughly chilled. This ensures a perfectly blended drink. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your masterpiece. Strain the perfectly chilled cocktail into a fresh glass, perhaps a highball or a coupe. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of flavor, garnish your drink with a small, fresh watermelon wedge. A sprig of vibrant mint adds a delightful aromatic touch. Serve immediately and savor the refreshing taste of your homemade watermelon cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.